Hey there, math stars. Ready to challenge your brain with some fun addition and subtraction? Let's go. Can you guess this one? Great start. You got it. All right, here comes your next math puzzle. Well done, that's correct. Put on your thinking cap. Here it comes. You're super smart. Time for a challenge. Think carefully. That's the right answer. Get ready for a brain booster. You're doing amazing. This one looks sneaky. Can you solve it? Math master in the making. This one needs quick thinking. Go for it. Boom! Nailed it. Eyes on the screen. What's the right answer? Sharp thinking. Keep going. Okay, genius, try this one next. Yes, you're on fire. Let's go halfway through. Are you still sharp? Halfway done, and you're rocking it. Let's keep going. Another tricky one. Yay, you got it right again. Time to show your math power. Correct again. You're awesome. You're doing great. Ready for more? What a great guess. That's right. Here comes another. Can you figure it out? Whoa! You're a math whiz. Let's go. This one might be tricky. Great job. Keep those answers coming. Can you beat this one? Think fast. That's it. You've got it. Another fun one coming your way. Yup, you got the correct answer. What do you think this one is? Smart choice. Let's go to the next. We're almost done. Don't give up. So close to the end, and you're doing great. Last question. Let's make it count. Fantastic. You've completed the quiz. Awesome work. You just finished a tricky grade 1 math quiz, and you did amazing. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, and tell us your score in the comments.